To become a data scientist, you will need a combination of technical skills, analytical abilities, and domain knowledge. Here are some of the key skills needed to excel in the field of data science. Programming skills. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python or R is essential for data scientists. These languages are commonly used for data manipulation, analysis, and building machine learning models. Statistics and mathematics. A strong foundation in statistics and mathematics is crucial for data scientists. You should have a good understanding of concepts like probability, hypothesis testing, regression, and linear algebra. Data manipulation and analysis. Data scientists need to be skilled in working with data. This includes techniques for data cleaning, preprocessing, transformation, and exploration. Proficiency in tools like pandas, NumPy, and SQL is important for managing and analyzing large datasets. Machine learning. Data scientists should have a solid understanding of machine learning algorithms and techniques. This includes both supervised and unsupervised learning methods, model evaluation, feature selection, and hyperparameter tuning. Familiarity with libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow is beneficial. Data visualization. The ability to effectively communicate insights and findings through visualizations is a crucial skill for a data scientist. You should be proficient in using tools like Matplotlib, ggplot, or Tableau to create informative and visually appealing charts, graphs, and dashboards. Big data technologies. As data volumes continue to grow, knowledge of big data technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, and Hive can be advantageous. These tools enable processing and analysis of large-scale datasets distributed across clusters. Domain knowledge. Data scientists often work in specific industries or domains. Having domain knowledge allows you to understand the context of the data and make more meaningful interpretations and decisions. For example, healthcare data scientists should be familiar with healthcare systems and terminology. Problem-solving skills. Data scientists need to be adept problem solvers, capable of formulating business problems into data-driven questions and designing appropriate analytical approaches. Strong critical thinking and logical reasoning skills are valuable in this field. Communication and presentation. Data scientists should possess strong communication skills to effectively convey complex concepts and findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. Clear and concise communication helps in presenting insights and influencing decision-making. Lifelong learning. Data science is a rapidly evolving field, so a willingness to learn and stay updated with the latest tools, techniques, and research is essential. Stay connected with the data science community, participate in online courses, attend conferences, and read research papers to enhance your skills. Remember that becoming a proficient data scientist is a continuous learning process, and the specific skills required may vary depending on the industry, organization, and the problem you are trying to solve.